I'm Piyush Lohiya, Managing Director, IWS, TIPC, and the Innovative Pipe Concepts. We are the pioneers in bringing the best technology in plumbing in India as well as in Telangana. Uh, we are associated with all top builders, industries, and government projects where we are supplying one of the best quality of plumbing products from fresh water supply, drainage, heating, pumping, modular support system, drainage system, and we foresee a very good future for our products in the market. And I feel proud to be associated with IPA. We have been associated with IPA since its inception. Thank you, IPA, to give us chance to participate in 30th conference, IPC conference. Thank you very much.